Alright guys, I'm embarrassed. It is the end of January. I think today is January 27th, and we are just now taking down our Christmas decorations. It's time for spring cleaning. You guys probably aren't seeing this video till mid-February, if not March, I don't know. So yeah, I'm late. But we have a lot of spring cleaning to do. If you hear noise in the background, I'm doing laundry. And in honor of taking down our Christmas decorations, I'm wearing my favorite Christmas sweater that I've been wearing all season that I got from Costco. I'm officially a Costco mommy, y'all. This is crazy. I feel like I'm getting old, but anywho, it's time to take this stuff down and get this apartment back to how it was before the holidays. All right, y'all, so before we begin taking down everything, I just want to take y'all through a little tour of all the decor I had. It's early, I'll try to get this video out to y'all, and I'm tired. But anywho, this is all that we had, and y'all look how messy this apartment is. It's crazy. I'm actually not going to get to show y'all me cleaning the apartment because I just wanted to get it done so bad. I just sped cleaned and didn't film anything. But yeah, this is all the decor I had, not that much. And it all fit in these 2 boxes. So let's take it down together.
Separated, I'm living life for you. I lay my life down at your feet for you.
Okay, I have cleared this area. I'm gonna vacuum it using my Dyson.
All I wanna do is bring you glory and honor. It's all for you, none of me. It's more of you, less of me. All for your kingdom, all for your glory. He must become greater, so I become lesser. He must become greater, so I become lesser. Honors you in all that I do. Ooh, I wanna walk away from those things that pull me away from your presence. Jesus, I want nothing to do with that. Help me have nothing to do with that. All I wanna do is bring you glory and honor. It's all for you, none of me. It's more of you, less of me. All for your kingdom, all for your glory. He must become greater,
Alright, y'all, I wanted to show you guys my favorite brioche French bread recipe that I've been making for my family for years. I add extra protein by adding in some egg whites to it. I'll leave the exact measurements down below if you guys really want to try the recipe. And again, there's substitutions for everything. If you don't like a regular brioche bread, use whatever bread you like, brioche, whatever. Not brioche. I was trying to say gluten-free or wheat bread, whatever you prefer. Use that bread. It works the same. But if you want a really like rich, like special French toast, I would definitely try using a brioche bread. Another alternative for like sugar, if you don't like using sugar, because you're more on a low glycemic diet, I like using coconut sugar. It has a great flavor, so that's another alternative. But this is how I normally make my French toast, y'all. Also, I like to freeze my French toast and like make a big batch and freeze it, and I'll give it to my son during the week for breakfast. You can pop it in the toaster if you have a toaster. You can pop it in the oven for a few minutes if you have an oven. That uses a lot of energy, so I usually just pop it in the microwave for a few seconds or put it back on the griddle for like a minute or two. And y'all, it's good to go. So I hope you guys enjoy this recipe. I'll leave the exact measurements down below in the description as I mentioned before. And yeah, thank y'all for coming back to my channel. I know I've been gone for a minute, but y'all, I needed a break after the 100-day walking challenge. Like, I was burnt out from editing, really. So I needed that break. The footage from me taking down my Christmas tree, I think I mentioned it, I'm not sure, but I filmed that in January, knowing that I'd post it early February. And y'all, it's late. It is now February 26th, the day that you're seeing this. So anyways, hope you all enjoy this recipe, and thank y'all for coming back.
Let me take a moment to apologize for the way that I've been. Now I realize that you're my morning star. You're my everything. All of the worries and fears don't matter as long as I got you. Anxiety, fear, doubt don't matter as long as I got you. I know I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me, and I know I'll soar on wings like eagles if I wait on you. You're God from here to the end. Your light still always the same. It's true. I know that I can always count on you. Every single moment that I think about what you have brought me through, all of the highs and the lows, I could hardly see my way. Now I see your light, it's guiding me right through, and I feel your power, it's pulling me through. No need for lamps or sun, your light is shining through, and all of the darkness is filling up this room. Your God, from here to the end, your light still always the same. It's true. I know that I can always count on you. God said, let there be light in the darkness. Let there be hope in the madness. Yeah, we got great treasure. God said,